What's the meaning of candy apple? Candy apple. Candy apple.
Candy apple. Candy apple. A candy apple is a traditional autumn treat that consists of a whole apple coated in a hard, shiny red or sometimes green candy shell. The candy coating is made by heating sugar, corn syrup, and water, then adding food coloring and dipping the apples into the mixture. The mixture hardens as it cools, creating a crunchy, sweet shell around the apple. Often sold at fairs and carnivals, candy apples are a nostalgic, fun-to-eat snack that can be enjoyed by people of all ages.